Hi, this is Lalita from Super German Academy. You're watching Class 7 Hallo Deutsch. Module 3, Lesson 1. The name of the lesson is Was ist du in der Pause? Was ist du in der Pause bedeutet, what do you eat in the break? So, what do you eat and drink in your school break time? This is the topic of this lection. This video is about different snacks, how they are to be called in German, different German verbs used in this lection, conversation, example sentences, and lastly question and answers. Let's see how the snacks are called in German. Kuchen bedeutet Cake, Schokoriegel bedeutet Chocolate, Joghurt bedeutet Joghurt, Apfel bedeutet Apple, Saft bedeutet Fruit Juice. Banane bedeutet Banana, Birni bedeutet Pear Fruit, Cola bedeutet Cola, Teufelschokolade bedeutet Chocolate Bar, Lemonade bedeutet Lemonade. Käsebrot bedeutet Cheese Bread, Schinkenbrot bedeutet Ham Bread, Eis bedeutet Ice Cream, Mineralwasser bedeutet Mineral Water, Stuck Torte bedeutet Pastry, Chips bedeutet Chips, Nudeln bedeutet Noodles, Muesli bedeutet Nuts, Keksi bedeutet Cookies. If the noun is masculine, then der or einen is paired up with a masculine noun. If the noun is feminine, then die or einer is paired up with a feminine noun. If the noun is neutral, then das or ein is paired up with a neutral noun. If the noun is in plural form, then die is paired up with a plural noun. Example, der Joghurt, die Cola, das Mineralwasser. In this way, the articles are to be used with these nouns. The German verbs that are used in this lection are essen, trinken, mjosten, and nehmen. Let's see what do they mean, how to conjugate them, and how to make sentences using these German verbs. The first verb is essen. Essen bedeutet eat. Let's see how it is to be conjugated with different subjects. First, for subject singular, ich esse, du isst, es isst, sie essen. For subject plural, wir essen, ihr isst, sie essen. If you see the conjugation pattern of essen, the pattern is changing. This is esse, isst. Essen, if you see here the conjugation pattern, it is changing, and this verb is called as an unregelmäßig. That is irregular verb. Essen is an irregular verb. Beispiele bedeutet examples. Let's see few example sentences how to use this essen verb. Was essen Sie? What do you eat? Here S is capital letter. This Z means formal you. Suppose when you want to speak to the other person in a polite way, or someone to an elderly person, then you use this formal you. That is Sie. Was essen Sie? Ich esse einen Apfel. I eat an apple. Here you are asking, suppose to your uncle, then he replies to you as Ich esse einen Apfel. Bedeutet I eat an apple. Here apple is a masculine noun, so the article to be used with the masculine noun is einen. Was isst du? What do you eat? Suppose you ask to your friend, then he replies to you as Ich esse einen Kuchen. I eat a cake. Here Kuchen is a masculine noun, so the article to be used with it is einen. Was isst Lisa? What does Lisa eat? She isst einen Pizza. She eats a pizza. Pizza is feminine, so the article to be used with it is einer. See here the conjugation for she, that is she. She conjugation is, so the same conjugation comes for Lisa. Was essen Stephen und Tina? What does Stephen and Tina eat? Sie essen Chips. Bedeutet they eat chips. The next verb is trinken. Trinken bedeutet drink. Let's see its conjugation. For subject singular, ich trinke, du trinkst, es trinkt, sie trinken. For subject plural, wir trinken, ihr trinkt, sie trinken. See the conjugation pattern. Unlike essen, the conjugation pattern is being similar like trinke, trinks. The trink verb is being conjugated here. The spelling if you see here, so this verb is called as a regular verb, that is regelmäßig. Trinken is a regelmäßig. Let's see few example sentences how to use this trinken. Beispiele. Was trinkt Tina? What does Tina drink? Here if you see the conjugation for sie, it is drink. So the same comes for Tina. Tina trinkt milk. Bedeutet Tina drinks milk. Was trinkst du? What do you drink? Ich trinke eine lemonade. I drink a lemonade. See the conjugation for here in the table, ich trinke, right? So the conjugation for ich is trinke. So ich trinke eine lemonade means I drink a lemonade. Was trinken Sie? What do you drink? Suppose you ask to your aunt, and she replies as Ich trinke Mineralwasser. I drink mineral water. Was trinken Stephen und Lisa? What does Stephen and Lisa drink? Here there are two people, no? That is subject is in plural form. So for they, you see here trinken. So sie trinken Cola means they drink cola. The third verb is möchten. Möchten bedeutet would like. Here möchten is the modal verb. In English also we have modal verbs like can, could, shall, will, may, might, want. These are called modal verbs. These modal verbs are like helping verbs for the main verb. These are the auxiliary verbs. They help for the main verb to express, to give added expression to the main verb. So one of the modal verb used in this lection is möchten. Bedeutet would like. Let's see its conjugation. For subject singular, ich möchte, du möchtest, es möchte, sie möchten. For subject plural, wir möchten, ihr möchtet, sie möchten, sie möchten. Let's see few example sentences. Beispiele. Was möchtest du essen? What would you like to eat? Here the main verb is essen. And the modal verb used in these examples are möchten. So for du the conjugation is möchtest. So was möchtest du essen bedeutet what would you like to eat? Ich möchte eine Banane essen. I would like a banana to eat. Was möchten Sie trinken? What would you like to drink? Here this Sie is, suppose you are asking to your father, what would you like to drink? Then he replies as, ich möchte eine Cola trinken. I would like a cola to drink. Was möchte Tina essen? What would Tina like to eat? Tina möchte Chips essen. Tina would like chips to eat. Here see the conjugation for C, that is möchte. So for Tina also it is möchte. It could be anyone. Suppose was möchte Stephen essen. Stephen möchte Chips essen. That is for it is möchte. So for Stephen also the conjugation will be möchte. Was möchte Stephen essen? The same here. Stephen möchte einen Apfel essen. Bedeutet Stephen would like an apple to eat. The last verb is nehmen. Nehmen bedeutet take. Let's see its conjugation. For subject singular, ich nehme, du nimmst, es nimmt, sie nehmen. For subject plural, wir nehmen, ihr nehmt, sie nehmen, sie nehmen. See the conjugation pattern. The spelling is changing, right? The pattern is changing. So this verb is called as an unregelmäßig. That is, nehmen is an irregular verb. Now let's see examples. Beispiele. Was nimmst du? What do you take? Ich nehme Nudeln. I take noodles. Was nehmen Sie? What do you take? Suppose you ask to your uncle or some stranger. Then he says, ich nehme eine Birne. I take a pear fruit. Was nimmt Stephen? What does Stephen take? See, for air it is nimmt, right? So for Stephen also it is nimmt. So nimmt einen Kuchen. He takes a cake, or you can say Stephen nimmt einen Kuchen. Was nimmt Tina? What does Tina take? Tina nimmt chips. Tina take chips. So these are about the German verbs used in this lection. Let's see conversation example sentences. A mother conversation with her two children, Stephen and Tina. First, mother. Mutti means mother. Mother is asking Stephen. Stephen, was möchtest du in der Pause essen? Einen Apfel. Bedeutet, Stephen, what would you like to eat in the break? An apple. Then Stephen replied, Nein, Mutti. No, mother. Keinen Apfel. Not apple. Here for negative expressions like no or not, you use keinen. Because here apple is a masculine noun, keinen is used. Suppose if you say pizza or any like feminine nouns, then you use keina. So, Nein, Mutti, keinen Apfel means no, mother. Not apple. Ich esse lieber einen Schokoriegel. Bedeutet, I eat rather a chocolate, or I prefer to eat a chocolate. So if you want to say like ich esse lieber einen Schokoriegel means I prefer to eat a chocolate. Now Mutti is asking Tina, was is you Hotti? Tina, what do you eat today? Hotti means today. Tina replies, Nis, ich habe einen Hunger. Nis means nothing. Ich habe keinen Hunger means I have no hunger. Lastly, Präsentwort-Worten bedeutet question and answers. These are the questions and these are the answers. The first question, möchtest du ein Käsebrot? Would you like a cheese bread? Ja, ich möchte ein Käsebrot essen. Yes, I would like a cheese bread to eat. Second question, warum trinkst du keine Cola? Here keine means not. Trinkst du keine Cola means don't you drink cola? Warum means why. So warum trinkst du keine Cola means why don't you drink cola? Ich habe keinen Durst. I have no thirsty. Third one, magst du Schokoriegel? Do you like chocolate? Here marks means like. So marks do you means do you like. Skokodiesel means chocolate. Nicht so gern, not so much. Ich esse lieber Chips. I eat rather chips. Fourth one. Isst du keinen Kuchen? Don't you eat a cake? Here isst du keinen means don't you eat. Kuchen means cake. Nein danke, no thanks. Ich habe keinen Hunger. I have no hungry. I hope this video helped you. This ends the video, and for the email part I made another video and I'll provide the link in this video's description box. Go through that video also so that you will be able to know how to write an email writing on this lection Was ist in der Pause. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, like, share and comment our video. If you want to watch more such videos, subscribe to our channel Super German Academy and hit the bell icon to get further notifications of other videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.